In front of me is Motorola Moto G77, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then you can scroll and click on those icons at the top right corners to see all available themes. When you find the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher to turn it off or switch it on, and hit apply. As you can see, after a few seconds my theme was successfully changed. If you want to, you can go back to the same section in your settings, and to get rid of your theme from here, click on it and tap on this bin at the top right corner. Then hit yes. You can always download it in the future the same way. Now to customize it, you need to tap on this plus under My Themes. Tap on a photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and tap on apply. If you wish to edit this theme, you can do that by tapping on it here and using this pen. Then hit save and tap on apply. To delete it fully from your device, use this bin icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!